Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. Thank you for checking back up on me to see if I'm doing well. I'm doing great, even though no one asked, and I'm just talking to a camera in my room all by myself. So today we're going to talk about how to invest in dividend stocks on Webull and going over the strategy that I use. Now, the strategy that I use will work on any platform. I just so happen to have an account with Webull and I like it very much. And if you're a beginner or just starting and you want to do the same and open one, I've created a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do it as well. You can follow it. Link is in the description. Make sure to collect your 2 free stock while you're at it because you don't want to leave money on the table. Also, full disclosure here, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a random guy on YouTube playing with my own money and stating my own opinion on what I think is a decent strategy. So yeah. So before I start, let me keep you up to date on my portfolio because apparently people online don't walk the talk. I'm going to go on full transparency here. So a few weeks ago, I opened up my account and opened up a Roth IRA as well, in which I deposited $6,000 into. Link is in the description if you want to check that out. Then a couple days later, I realized that I forgot to make another $6,000 contribution for my 2019, which I did. And then now my account has $12,000, in which I bought 13 ExxonMobil stocks at around $37 per share. And now I have 2 AT&T stocks, which I did when I opened my account to buy and sell stocks. And that video is also in the link below. So now you're all caught up. So the strategy that I'm going to use is simple. It's to buy big credible companies with high dividend yields with a relatively low price per share. When I say low, I mean anything that's below $70 a share. If you don't know too much about investing, buying big credible companies already helps you eliminate 50% of your research. Now, how do we find these big credible companies with high dividend yields? It's easy. Go on Google and search Dow Jones highest dividend stocks and you'll be able to find which one will give you the highest dividend yield. The Dow Jones is just the Dow Jones Industrial Average that consists of 30 large publicly traded companies, also known as the blue chip stocks. So you can imagine that they're pretty big. Now, the next step is to pick 5 stocks with high dividend yield with low price per share. The reason why you want to go for low price per share is because they usually tend to have more price movement than stocks that are over $100 a share. There's going to be some stocks that will be borderline between low and high, and at that point it's honestly up to you which one you want to pick, if you like the company or not. So I went ahead and did my picking and I ended up with these ticker symbol: XOM, PFE, VZ, WBA, and CSCO. So I'm gonna hop on my phone to buy some of these stocks. Now, I'm not going to use all my money to buy it, but instead use like about 20% of it because I want to still buy more later on if the market ever decides to drop. And I'll show you my process so you can watch my entire portfolio grow and hopefully you can start investing in yourself too as well. I know I have like $12,000, but it doesn't matter if you have 5,000 or 1,000. The amount doesn't matter as long as you're consistent and want to build a future for yourself. So let's open up the app and type in the stocks that you want to buy. In this case, I've already have the stock names I'm going to go buy. And I'm not going to buy XOM because I've already purchased that in the past. So now I'm going to go ahead and purchase PFE on this list. And then I'm going to hit trade. And then I'm going to hit buy, let's see, type in the quantity. I'm going to buy, how many I'm going to buy? 12 shares of that. And then I'm going to hit just market, so then it executes actually. So 12 shares, and then hit okay. So now it's trading at $35.42. I'm going to hit okay. And buy. And I'm going to hit and confirm. See, confirm again. So 12 position and it's been filled. So the next one I'm gonna go and buy, let's go back out here. So it's gonna be VZ, which is Verizon. And I'm gonna go ahead and buy 7 shares of that. Go ahead and trade that. Market, 7 shares of that. Today, and then it's right now it's trading at $57.62, and I'm gonna hit okay, buy, and then also confirm as well. And yeah, it executed. So let's go back, and the next one I'm gonna purchase is WBA. I'm gonna go buy 10 shares of that. Here, click that, trade. Then I'm gonna hit market because I want to execute fast, because I really don't care about the short term. It's about the long term that I care. So WBA is 10 shares. I'm gonna buy, and then I'm gonna hit okay on that, then buy. Oops, okay, buy, and then confirm. And then it's executed. Let's go back and then hit go back. And then the next one is CSCO for 10 shares. 10 shares again, yeah. So this one, click that. And then I'm gonna hit trade, market, quantity, 10 shares, hit OK, and then hit buy, and it's trading at $41.20. Hit buy and then confirm order. And then let's see, go back. And then I'm gonna go to my positions. Let's see, hold on. So currently I have all of this, and to show that this is actually real, I have it right over here. I'm not too sure if you can see all of that, but that's exactly what I have on my left side of the screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. Now that's it. You don't have to do much. You just let the dividend stocks sit there and collect your payments passively. And if you want, you go back in and buy some more stocks when the stock prices are cheaper. Now, I like to be a little bit more aggressive and diversify my portfolio. Now, I'm going to be looking into aristocrat companies to invest in, which are basically companies that have been paying dividends for the past 25 years consecutively or more, and also been raising it. So you just go on Google and type in a list of aristocrat companies to buy, and type in high dividend yields. So then I've already have two in mind, and which are ABBV and T. And I'm gonna go ahead and buy ABBV because their dividend payout is pretty good. Last time I checked, it was let's see, it was above 6%, and they've been paying their dividends consecutively for the past 25 years, even more. So now I'm gonna hit trade. I'm gonna go ahead and buy, let's see, I wrote down 5 shares. I'm gonna buy 5 shares of them. Market, type in quantity 5, hit OK, and then buy, and then confirm. So got that down, and then I'm gonna hit go back there. Okay, so it's been executed. Back. And then for AT&T, ticker symbol T, I'm gonna buy 14 shares of that. 14. Oh, so market. I'm gonna buy 14 right here. Oops. 14. Hit OK, and then buy. So confirm. Let's see, and that's been executed as well. All right, and that's pretty much it. And if you want to see, let's go back and then in my accounts, and these are all my positions currently I have. And then here's a real update of it. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. And that's pretty much it. Now you just let it sit there and let these stocks make you passive income. And these are all these stocks that I'm currently purchasing is above around 4% mark or more, or even higher, because I'm looking to make the most out of these stocks, and I know that they're going to be paying them consistently. So I'm not even scared if it goes down in price. Hope all of you enjoy this and like these videos, because I too want to be financially free, and I just want to document my process and show that everyone can do it. You don't have to make a lot of money to start. You just need to be consistent and save your money. I'm just an average guy making a little bit above minimum wage, and if I could do something like this, you can too. Feel free to leave a like and maybe consider subscribing, since I talk more about real estate, credit cards, finance, and other money related topics. And I'll catch you all later.